Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best eyeglass cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CareTouch Lens Wipes. With thousands of positive reviews on Amazon, the CareTouch Lens Wipes are surely among the best glass cleaners currently available for sale. They boast a high-tech formula and clean more effectively than most other glass cleaners, leaving considerably fewer streaks after use. Due to this formula, the wipes include far less alcohol and water than regular wipes, which results in minimum staining and streaking. In fact, they use just 39.5% isopropyl alcohol, so you can be sure using these wipes won't lead to discoloration or eyeglass damage. Plus, they are made with softer and fine fibers, so they won't be able to somehow scratch lenses, letting you apply them for cleaning both your regular eyeglasses and professional optics, including cameras, webcams, microscopes, and binoculars. You can also use these wipes for your smartphone screen, laptop, tablet, smartwatch, keyboard, and other surfaces. Moving on. At number 4, we have the ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. ZEISS needs no presentation. With over 170 years of experience, this brand has made a name for itself specializing solely in the field of optics, so it's no wonder they know everything about how to make and care for lenses. As a matter of fact, these were ZEISS lenses that captured the man's first steps on the moon. And since then, the company has only upped the ante by improving the quality of its lenses and introducing premium cleaning solutions for them. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that customers all over the world entrust even the most expensive glasses to ZEISS. And if you're looking for the best cleaning solution offered by ZEISS, make sure to consider the 200 Pre-Moistened Eyeglass Cleaning Wipes. They have been rigorously tested to ensure effective cleaning of most types of lenses and are made of the softest fibers, eliminating the risk of harming lenses. Thus, you can safely use them to clean all types of eyeglasses and sunglasses, including those with anti-reflective coating, as well as pricey optics such as cameras, webcams, cell phones, microscopes, binoculars, and many others. At number 3, we have the Calyptus Spray Care Kit. The Calyptus spray is effective for cleaning all eyeglass frames and lenses, including those with anti-reflective coatings. So it suits both prescription and non-prescription eyeglasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, safety goggles, and all other types of eyewear, as well as camera lenses, telescopes, hunting scopes, microscopes, and the like. Just take a bottle and spray a bit of solution onto the lens surface. For the best results, wipe dry with a Calyptus cloth. The pack includes a couple of 2-ounce Calyptus lens cleaner spray bottles. Each one is enough for 375 sprays on average, which equals 700 sprays in total. And provided that you use 1 squeeze per each side of your lens, total of 4 sprays per cleaning, this set should last you for up to 6 months of daily cleaning. At number 2, we have the Optix 55200 Pre-Moistened Individual Wrapped. The wipes by Optix 55 are a great, universal solution for daily cleaning needs. They are rather cheap, but at the same time very much efficient, so if you're looking for a pack of decent wipes to keep at home, in your office, or take with you and use on the go, these pads tick all the right boxes. The Optix 55 cloths have an ammonia-free formula to address the needs of delicate lenses of eyeglasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. The wipes don't scratch or leave streaks/fogs behind, and you won't need to open a second packet to finish the job, even if you need to clean a large TV screen. Speaking of which, the cloths are absolutely safe for electronic devices, no matter how many wipes you make to clean the screen. Besides, due to the fact that they have an extra fine structure, they allow achieving great results without streaks or damage. And finally, at number 1, we have the iCloth Screen Cleaning Wipes. With more than 200 million wipes sold across the US and Canada, the iCloth company stands at the forefront of the cleaning industry. It's a reputable brand that supplies high-quality glasses to league schools, offices, laboratories, commercial flights, Air Force, and defense agencies. And now, you can bring professional experience to your home with the iCloth lens and screen wet wipes. They are manufactured from ultimately soft, aerospace-grade fabric and boast the optimal moisture level to polish glasses, optics, phone screens, tablets, video game consoles, and other touchscreens without damaging the surface. To clean your lenses or screen, simply open a packet and wipe off excess dirt with a folded wipe. Then, unfold it and proceed with circular movements on your lens until it's dry. Each wipe is 3.5 inches x 5, which is a perfect size to get as close to the frame as possible and reach into all the nooks and crannies. Yet, despite the small size, a single cloth wipe is enough for cleaning large laptops, computers, and TV screens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.